Welcome to the Edelbrock Aluminum Foundry. Two 73,000 square foot facilities employing over 300 people strategically located in the desert of San Jacinto, California. Edelbrock is the leader in the production of aluminum intake manifolds, water pumps, and cylinder heads, along with many white label parts for various industries. This foundry specializes in 356 and 808 aluminum. The foundry is a full-service, total start-to-finish solution for aluminum castings. Services include concurrent design engineering, traditional, CNC, and 3D pattern making, tooling production, core production, permanent, green, and dry sand molding, solution heat treatment, finishing, and machining. Additional services include computational fluid dynamics, finite element analysis, solidification modeling, and metallurgical analysis. One of our pieces of cutting-edge technology is the only 3D core printer west of the Mississippi. The 3D printer eliminates the need for tooling, cutting costs and lead times for short-run castings and prototyping, and provides us the ability to use client engineering files for rapid prototyping, tooling production, and pattern making, while our new deburring machine carves time out in the finishing stages. Our foundry uses a self-contained sand handling system capable of processing 100 tons of sand per hour. This system can mix 5,000-pound batches every 90 seconds. A complex conveyor system replenishes molding machines through 400 feet of tunnels, and our Hartley automatic controller tests each batch for proper moisture content and compaction. To melt our aluminum, we use 2 tower jet melter furnaces, 3 reverb natural gas furnaces, and our aluminum stays in liquid form 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. In core production, we are anchored by 20 core machines, 4 ISO-cured cold box machines, and 16 BNP shell core hot box machines. Our permanent molds allow for high volume, consistently run parts. Our dry sand molds use a chemical binder to hold sand together, great for short run castings and virtually freeform, with molds as large as 3 by 4 feet. Our green sand molds use no additives in the bonding process. We have 3 automated mold lines, and it is the most efficient casting method, running 40 to 60 molds per hour or 200 per hour total. Capable of complex, core-intensive castings up to 60 pounds, our 2 high-volume, fully automated cope and drag systems produce parts up to 20 by 30 inches. One Cinto match plate flaskless machine is capable of parts up to 20 by 24 inches. 3 ABB and 1 KUKA bottom pour robotic ladling system pulls metal from below the surface, resulting in reduced dross and turbulence for more consistent casting. To remove the cores, we use a Herschel and A-frame vibratory machine, robotic and manned removal of gating and burrs, along with our new deburring machine. The end result is a high-quality, machine-ready casting. New efficiencies have opened opportunities to take on more client production. We can handle medium to large jobs, and every line changes 3 to 4 times per shift. The sweet spot is 1,000 to 60,000 units, depending on complexity and type of mold. Any market or industry can benefit, and our 3D printer makes the foundry more nimble for prototyping and short-run castings. To find out more, go to the website, click on Get a Quote, and someone will follow up with you. The Edelbrock Foundry is a growing, world-class facility, diversifying into other realms to help you keep your aluminum products made in the USA. Contact the Foundry today to see what Edelbrock can do for you.